What's up, guys? We're in Porto Santo for a family vacation and thought it would be a good idea to put together a little YouTube video for you guys. We did some hiking and we went exploring some caves. Check it out, this one's gonna be pretty cool. So we managed to get a hold of what hopefully will be a new friend of ours, Jackson Groves. He's pretty famous on Instagram, and of course we had done the big walk earlier this year with João Amorim, Follow the Sun Travel, and he got us in touch with Jackson. And I was actually supposed to do something with him in Madeira, but we got a little bit chaotic. And we just happened to be in Porto Santo at the same time, the same place kind of thing, and thought, hey, why don't we go up for a sunrise mission. Morning, guys. We're in Pico de Ana Freire in Porto Santo with a special guest. That's Jackson Groves. You got a website, what's it called?
Journeyera.com.
Journeyera.com. You guys have to check it out. There's loads of cool tips. I'll link it in the description and pop it up here somewhere. Lots of great tips on Madeira. This guy's doing an absolutely fantastic job of documenting some of the most adventurous parts in Madeira. And yeah, we started chatting a little bit, and both in Porto Santo at the same time, at the same place kind of thing, and decided to come out and do a little sunrise mission up here, and it's looking quite promising. Yeah. So yeah, this is Porto Santo 2020. We made it out. Woo. So being my mother's 60th birthday, I wanted to take her on a sunrise hike, and we checked out the hike up to Pico Branco, which is a pretty high peak in Porto Santo. Not as high, it's not the highest peak, but it certainly is very beautiful. I actually originally got the idea from a friend of mine from Instagram, and decided that I wanted to check it out. And of course, it was absolutely fantastic. Look who made it.
Hey?
You made it?
Yeah, I made it.
And was it worth it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You think, maybe?
Stunning.
You'd rather be sleeping, right?
Hey?
You'd rather be sleeping?
No. I'm glad I came.
Good.
It was hot, but I'm glad I came.
Good.
Absolutely.
Well, it's pretty beautiful.
Oh, look at this beauty. I was doing about 100.
Yay! Hallelujah!
Lado as well. Not much. Parece rapaz, o pior já passou, não é? Agora é voltar para trás.
So we didn't come out here really to do a video on Porto Santo. I've come out to Porto Santo before purely to do videos. Of course, I love staying at the Villa Bolero Hotel, love going on epic missions, but this was purely a family vacation. So this video kind of just came together for that. But there are really cool videos coming out on this channel. Of course, this year has been very chaotic, and we've actually been quite active on YouTube, more active than I would have thought. but we got some pretty cool ideas for some new stuff in the future. So hit the subscribe button, share this video for people who haven't seen Porto Santo, and I'll see you real soon. We're getting together the big walk video that we did in August. That's coming out real soon, hopefully. And yeah, good things are coming and hit the road. Let us know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in Madeira. It's the 2020 the Gouveia family vacation.
Are we feeling excited?
Yeah?
Yeah. Big adventure.
Yeah. This is the warm-up for the skydiving.
Oh no, not the skydiving. How far from that? Enjoying that. Oh,